A group of 22 ladies, Mahilas, went and visited the governor, that is Srimati Amchi Mridula Sinha. तितूंत आशिल्ली म्हजी वायस प्रेसिडेंट, तशी म्हजी दोन्ही डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट्स, माझे स्टेट कमिटी, माझे जनरल सेक्रेटरीज, माझे सेक्रेटरीज, ट्रेजरर, सोशल मीडिया टीम, ऑल वी वेंट. आणि आमकां इतलें सांगिल्लें की नॉट मोर देन 15 म्हणून, बट आर नंबर वॉज एक्सिडींग 30. So but we were being told not more than 30. We tried to, not more than 15. We were told to reduce, but still our number went till 22. And since we requested Madam Mridula, she could not deny. First and foremost, I would like to say a big thank you to the governor of Goa, that is Mridula Sinha, for giving her valuable time to us. Say, I have never seen Madam giving time for a period of 1 hour. आज महिला काँग्रेसीक तिने 1 वर टाइम दिलो. 11:30 जी आमची अपॉइंटमेंट आशिल्ली, till 12:30 she was sitting and talking to us. Different मुद्द्यांचेर आमी उलयले, different चर्चा केली, and it was very good and very nice on her part for giving us that valuable time. So we would like through the media to thank Madam Governor Sri Mridula Sinha for giving her valuable time to us. Well, friends, what we spoke is about, we went to her, and my first thing, our first demand of Mahila Congress was that pending demand of 33% reservation for Mahilas in Parliament and state legislatures. So माझा पहिला डिमांड आम्ही तिका घातले आणि तिका सांगले, मॅडम आप तो जानती हो म्हणले की महिला काँग्रेस इज बीन फॉलोइंग अप दिस डिमांड ऑफ रिजर्वेशन्स ऑफ 33% in Parliament and assemblies for the last 7 months. And she was like, yes, because I'm sure she also being in Goa, she has seen the media reports, must have seen the news, national news also, that Mahila Congress, All India Mahila Congress is very much firm and determined to get this thing done. आम्ही 7 महिने पहिले आमकां ऑर्डर आयिल्ली, आमची नॅशनल प्रेसिडेंट जी आसा सुष्मिता देव, तिने आमकां ऑर्डर दिल्ली की सबंद इंडियेंत जितले महिला काँग्रेस युनिट्स आसात त्या अध्यक्षांनी सांगिल्ले तुमच्या प्रेसिडेंटाक घ्यात, डिस्ट्रिक्टाच्या प्रेसिडेंटाक घ्यात आणि ही मोहीम सुरू करात, सिग्नेचर कॅम्पेन, that yes, I support 33% reservation for assembly and parliament. आणि I had just been the Mahila Congress that time. I had got a short span of time, like 7 days, and I would like to congratulate this committee who is standing and sitting with me. 7 days भितर आम्ही एक 16,000 सिग्नेचर्स कॅम्पेन करून आम्ही एक 16,000 सिग्नेचर्स एकठांय केल्ल्यो. आणि तो डिमांड जो आसा तो सिग्नेचर्साचे सगळे कॉपीज घेवन आमकां प्रत्येक महिला अध्यक्षांनी आमकां राष्ट्रपती भवनाचे हेतूर व्हेल्ले. प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया जो आमचो रामनाथ कोविंद आसा ताजे कडेन आमी सगळे स्टेटीच्यो महिला प्रेसिडेंट गेल्ल्यो आणि ताका आमी मेमोरेंडम दिल्लो की आमचो डिमांड आसा आणि हे कमिंग मान्सूनात तो जावचो म्हणून. एवरीवन नोज दॅट सोनिया गांधी जी आमची प्रेसिडेंट आशिल्ली काँग्रेस पक्षाची, शी वॉज ट्रायिंग टू परसीव दीस and she was very determined. She was after this demand कि बायलांनी 33% करचे म्हणून. So much so that Raj Sabha it was passed, but due to some opposition we could not get it done in Lok Sabha. Of late, even Madam Sonia ji has written a letter to Narendra Modi ji to fulfill this demand, but nothing is done. Feels sad that a man who just talks that beti bachao, beti padhao, लज दिसता सांगपाक की तो तोंड घेवन सांगता की बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढाओ, पूण म्हाका सांगपाचें आसा मोदी जी, बेटी को तुम सदन में कब लाओगे, पार्लियामेंट और असेंबली में कब लाओगे. मुद्दा तो अच्छा है, डिमांड तो अच्छा है, देखेंगे इस नेक्स्ट सेशन जो आने वाला है मानसून में, उसमें हम लाने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो वी आर होपफुल दैट इट विल बी पास्ड, अदरवाइज दे विल बी शोइंग देयर रियल कलर्स. Because governor herself has told us this today on the 22nd of May. Well friends, second demand which we went was, which I spoke was about a 33% reservation for women in which presently exist. आता सगळ्यांक खबर आसा local bodies जे आसात, आमचे local bodies just like municipalities, then जिल्हा पंचायत and village panchayat. Vitut amka 33% medillo asa. That also I told Mrudulla Sinha, the governor, that it was only applicable झालो 33% कोणाक लागून आमच्या काँग्रेस सरकारा खातीर आणि राजीव गांधी जो आमचो प्रायम मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो. Only because of our Rajiv Gandhi, our prime minister, today the ladies are there rightfully with their position, doing better than men as the sarpanchas, deputy sarpanchas, panch members, jilla members, chairmen, chairpersons, councillors. So we just spoke to her, ki, don't you think madam that the ladies are doing good job? Then why only 33%? So मैंने उससे पूछा, मैडम अच्छे दिन कब आएंगे? मोदी तो बोल रहा था, मोदी तो बोलता था, अभी आप बोलो अच्छे दिन कब आएंगे? She smiled, all laughed, and she said, अरे अच्छे दिन तो आए. Then I told her, अच्छे दिन होंगे, हमारे लिए नहीं, कॉमन लोगों के लिए नहीं. अच्छे दिन तो सिर्फ बीजेपी के लिए है. And I straightly told her that I think somewhere today the Prime Minister of India, that is Modi ji, is gone deaf and dumb. Because when we are crying, we are telling, give us our, fulfill our demand of 33% reservation in assemblies and parliament, going, running about with the CM and the collectors and even going to the President of India, nothing is happening. So somewhere I said, I think that this Modi and his government is gone deaf and dumb. And she was like, नहीं, हम देखेंगे, हम बात करेंगे. And I said this to her because of this third thing what I spoke to her. I told her that madam, आप तो जानते होंगे, last 2 years we are talking about Ladli Lakshmi scheme. There are so many cases of Ladli Lakshmi where the girl child, the lady, is been, she has to sacrifice her life. Ladli Lakshmi scheme should be amended. This is what I told her. This is our third demand. Mahila Congress demands that Ladli Lakshmi scheme should be amended. Lagn zataki, by munis, pregnant zataki, burge zataki. And she is like a sandwich, she doesn't know. एक साइडीन ताका आवय बापूय हेरे बेजार करतात, बाय लग्नाचो खर्चाचो पयसो दी, आमकां पयशे जाय खर्च केल्लो तो आयला जाल्यार. आनी ह्या साइडीन ताजे माव माय ताका बेजार करता की that money belongs to us म्हणून. So the girl becomes a sandwich. In this case in Sangye, that girl consumed poison because her brother, who wanted money for fees, ताणे त्या भावाक 50,000-60,000 दिल्ले आनी 40,000 हांकां दिल्ले हाडून. ते 60,000 हाड म्हणून ताका हॅरेसमेंट करपाक पडले. तांणी ताका हॅरेसमेंट केलो. आनी the girl wanted her brother to do his further education, so she gave that money to the brother. There was so much of harassment at home, so much of abuse at home that she could not take it. She committed suicide. She ended her life. This is not only one case. And I had said that this scheme should be named as death penalty scheme. I had said that Ladli Lakshmi scheme should be named as death penalty scheme because there are so many cases in Goa where girls are dying of torture, harassment, abuse at home. Torture zata tanga, harassment zata. But this government is acting dumb and dumb. When I had made that statement, these BJP Mahilas had come and given a statement saying that Ami Pratima Kutinocher FIR घालतली, Ami Pratima Kutinocher Women Commissioner complaint घालतली. But there and there I said I challenge because सत्या मुखार काय ना, हांव खरें तें उलयल्लें आनी आयज जी तांची वुमन कमिशन चेअरमॅन जाले न्यू, तिणें 2 म्हयने जाले एक स्टेटमेंट काडलो की there are so many cases in her office which are violently torture, harassment जाता because of this Ladli Lakshmi scheme. Today their own chairman commissionaची म्हणटा वुमन कमिशनराचेर हें सांगता जाल्यार म्हाका सांगूंक जाय की आयज तुमी ताजेरी केस घालतली, तिजेरी आयज FIR घालतली. This is something to talk about sense. And since Mrudulla Sinha is a woman herself, a governor is the one who cannot do partialities of Congress and BJP, whatever the background may be. So we told her, this is a demand of a lady. Madam, see that they amend the scheme. You have all the powers. Today the government, BJP government is gone headless. But you are the head of Goa. So it is your duty to see that BJP amends that scheme. Either they give that 1 lakh during the time when she attains 18 years old, so she can put that money for her higher education or for some schemes or some courses. सगळेच चलयो शिकनात 12वी जातकी कोणाक ब्युटिशियन जावपाचें आसता, कोणाक टेलरिंग करपाचें आसता, कोणाक नर्सिंग करपाचें आसता. So I said, let the girl child be independent. So she earns and she is independent in life. Or see that they amend the scheme in the other way, like give that money 1 lakh when before the day she is getting married. The immediately when she files, she puts her papers inside, see that she gets. So she can proudly say that yes, I've got 1 lakh from the government. And Mrudulla Sinha madam was kind enough, she also said that, हाँ ये तो मैं कहूँगी, because ये तो बहुत अच्छा मुद्दा है, I will speak right away. And she took the representation.
सगळ्या पोलीस स्टेशनात बायलां खातीर एक सेपरेट सेल दवरचें म्हणून आमी तेजे कडेन मांडलें. कारण की गोंयांत 27 पोलीस स्टेशन आसात, नॉर्थाक 11 आसात आनी सावथाक 16 आसात. पूण सगळे कडेन सेपरेट वुमेन्सा खातीर हें ना, सेल ना म्हणून. कारण जेन्ना बायलांचे रेप जाता, तेंचेर मॉलेस्टेशन जाता, एब्यूज हॅरेसमेंट जातात, हॅरेसमेंट एट वर्क अशें तेन्ना जातात, तेन्ना बायलां खूब भितात, ती लजतात. आनी ह्या कारणाक लागून ती इनजस्टीस तेंचेर जाता तरी सुद्दां ती कंप्लेन करपाक सोदनात आनी तेंचेर अन्याय जाता तो ती तशीच दाबून दवरतात. जेन्ना बायल मनीस आसतली, बायलां आसतली तेन्ना तांकां करेज येतली आनी ते आपल्याचेर जो इनजस्टीस जाला तो खंय तरी वचून ती कंप्लेन करतली आनी तांकां हेल्प जातलो. ह्या खातीर आमी मॅडमी कडेन आमचे गव्हर्नरा कडेन हो डिमांड दवरलेलो. तेंच्यांनी म्हणलें आसा की एक बरो डिमांड आसा आनी आपूण हेजेर लक्ष घालतले अशें तिणें आमकां आश्वासन दिलें.